Hi, this is our caravan we're gonna redo. It's pretty old. Got many things that are broken, like cupboard doors that don't really latch anymore, actual locks. Mechanism's broken. These cupboards do lock in, but it's this one's a bit old. This which is meant to go out into a bed for the back here, has never actually gone out into a bed. It's since I've had the caravan, every time we tried it, it's collapsed and broken, so not been able to use it. The bathroom, had to replace this with that's a bodge job. There's holes in the walls, toilet leaks. There's not really enough room. This can't really be used as a bathroom. Lighting, whoever had it last did this dodge job of a lighting. Roof is dropping. This thing's falling. The panels here, the ceiling panels. You see there's a crack here, so that's been taped up. That needs to be replaced. Lights are old here. I've replaced the sink. The sink's been replaced with a plastic sink temporarily. This was broken since the last time we went out. This got replaced because it never worked. It's quite old. Needs a refresh. Some of these doors, yeah. I've had to fix the pump many times, the heater, so it's just time. Half the lights don't work, speakers don't work, old CD player here doesn't work, aerial doesn't work, heater doesn't work. What else doesn't work? It's yeah. Right, outside needs a refresh as well. It needs clean. It's been set up for about 2 years. So I'll show you now. So that's an overview of the caravan. Now I'm going to get stuck into the work. So yeah, look out for the other videos of when we're ripping it out and doing the work.